Hi everyone, this is David Gardiner, Director of Marketing for Styling Tools with BabylissPRO. We're here at the BabylissPRO headquarters in Stamford, Connecticut today, and I'm going to give you a few tips for maintaining and extending the life of your styling tool appliance investment. First thing we're going to talk about is with regards to hair dryers. Making sure that you keep the air intake filter perfectly clean is going to drastically improve the life of the dryer. A removable filter is a great feature. Makes it very easy with a simple stiff bristle brush to just simply brush away any debris, buildup, or hair that gets caught in there. We recommend at least once a week making sure that you review the filter on your dryer so that you keep it clean and keep the dryer working at top performance. It will be a little bit different in every salon environment, so just always make sure that you keep that clean. Next thing we're going to talk about are styling irons. The biggest thing that we notice on styling tools is you can have product that starts to build up on the plates. From hairspray and styling product, you want to make sure that you keep that clean. So with a simple damp cloth, once the styling tool is cooled down a little bit, you just simply wipe it off. Or there are some cleaning pads that are on the market that are specifically designed for that. We just make sure that we recommend you never use any chemicals or anything on the plate surface. This is one of our great new tools, the Mira Curl 3. When it comes to specialty styling tools, and this one that has a curl chamber, we also have special cleaning instruments that allow you to put that into the curl chamber and keep that free of any product buildup as well. One thing that's important on all types of styling tools is the storage of the power cord. This is something that you'd never want to do. When you wrap the cord too tightly around a tool, you're putting unnecessary stress. This can lead to cord rupture and damage, and it will shorten the life of your styling tool. So never do that. We always recommend storing the appliance with a lot of slack at the bottom of the tool and keeping the rest of the cord wrapped up safely. Hope you enjoyed these tips to keep your investment lasting long. Please visit us at www.babylissPRO.com for more product information. Thank you.